But before we dive in, if you care about making smart money moves for your family, hit subscribe, like, and share this video with someone who needs it, so we can help more families get ahead together. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which debts can work for you, which to avoid like the plague, and how to make smarter borrowing decisions. Understanding debt basics. Debt is simply borrowed money that you pay back with interest. It's not evil, it's a tool. Like a knife, it can help you or hurt you. What is good debt? Good debt builds your wealth or income over time. Think mortgages, student loans for high-paying careers, or business loans that expand your income. What is bad debt? Bad debt? That's high-interest money drains with nothing to show for it, like credit card debt, payday loans, or financing vacations. Quick check-in. If this is helping you think differently about debt, hit like so. YouTube knows to share this with more families, and subscribe so you don't miss the next tip that could save you thousands. The gray zone. Some debts are neither purely good nor purely bad. It depends on how you use them. Car loans, for example, can be smart if they're affordable and necessary for work. Managing debt wisely. Here's how to keep debt working for you. Pay off high-interest debt first. Keep housing costs under 28% of income. Refinance when rates drop. And always ask, will this debt grow my wealth or my stress? When we bought our first home, we were scared of the mortgage. But over time, it built equity and gave us stability. On the other hand, my so-called emergency credit card drained hundreds until I finally paid it off. If this helped you see debt in a new way, share it with a friend or family member who needs it. And for more family-focused money tips, subscribe, like, and drop a comment telling me the one debt you'd love to get rid of first.